What's up everybody? This is me Ron and welcome to the new video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a registration form in PHP. Now let's do it. Now let's start. Open up your favorite text editing software. I'm using Dreamweaver CC. Open Dreamweaver CC, go to File and click New and select PHP and then click on Create. Now let's design the form that should include all the fields needed in registration like name, phone number, username, password, etc. Now design the form. Form action method. Method is equal to post. Inside the form, design on table center. Now inside table, design table row, and inside table row, design table data. First field should first name, name, and then in the next table data, input type is equal to text, name is equal to first name, and placeholder is equal to enter your name, enter your first name. And in the next table data, input type is equal to text, name is equal to middle name, placeholder is equal to enter your middle name. Similarly for last name, input type is equal to text, name is equal to lname, placeholder is equal to enter your last name. Now create another row. Inside that row, address go on here, input type is equal to text, name is equal to address, placeholder is equal to enter your address. Now the next field is gender. Gender. Input type is equal to radio, name is equal to gender, value is equal to male, and here goes male. Simply copy this and then paste. There goes female. And here goes others. Now in another row, there should be a phone number. Input type is equal to tel, name is equal to phone, placeholder is equal to enter your phone number. In another row, that should be a email. That should be an email. Oh, sorry, this is TD. Input type is equal to email, name is equal to email, placeholder is equal to example at example.com. Now the next field should be username. Input type is equal to text, name is equal to username, placeholder is equal to enter your username. And the last field should be password. Input type is equal to password, name is equal to password, and then now we should have a submit or sign up button. Input type is equal to submit, name is equal to submit, and value is equal to sign up. Now save in your localhost registration form. Now execute in your browser. If you are familiar with PHP, you know how to execute a PHP file in your computer because this is a PHP file. But if you are not familiar and you are new to PHP, you may not know how to execute a PHP file in your local computer. In order to run your PHP file in your own local computer, you should install the server application like WAM server, JAM server, or PAM server. After installing the server application, you should define side and testing server in your Dreamweaver CC to execute PHP file. If you do not configure your server, you won't be able to execute PHP in your PC because PHP is server-side scripting language. That's why you need to have a server application and configure that server with Dreamweaver CC. But don't worry, I will provide the link of the video that will show you how to define side and testing server in Dreamweaver CC. Now let's execute it in your browser. Oops, I forgot to start my home server. Start the WAMP server or any server application you have. Now this is our form. That goes the first name, middle name, last name, address goes here, and gender here, phone number, email, username, and password goes here. And when you click the sign up form, your data should be stored in the database. Now go to the localhost by typing localhost in your URL field of your browser and go to phpMyAdmin and create a database. The username is root and password is empty and click go. Now click new and create a database having a name, registration form, and create one table having name form and having the field 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9, having a field 9 and click go. Now create the field over here, first name, middle name, last name, and here goes address, and here goes gender, and then phone, email, then phone, email, username, and then password. Change the data type to character for all the field. And also provide the length. And click save. You can create a table having a name from form. Now change the table name form and click save. Now go back to Dreamweaver CC and write the PHP code over here. connect to your database. Server name is equal to localhost. The name is equal to root. Password is equal to null, and then DB name is equal to, go back to your localhost and see your DB name registration form. And try. MySQL underscore connect. Here is the parameter server name, username, password, and then DB name. And display the message successful in connection. Otherwise, catch the exception. MySQL underscore SQL exception. Now, if you click the sign up button, then all the values will insert in your database. So for this, if it set post submit, define the variable that store all the fields. First name is equal to post name. This is the variable and this is the index. That means this is the index name and name and name. The input type name is used as the index in PHP. Address, gender, phone, email address, post address, and then insert is equal to Now write the query. Register underscore query is equal to, go back to your database and click on SQL and then click on insert and copy this code and go back to remover and paste over here. And then here goes the value. Of name. Here goes the value and then here goes the value last name. And here goes the value address. Here goes the value gender. Similarly, here goes phone. Here goes email, and then here goes user, and then here goes has. Now try. MySQL underscore query. Here goes our connection, and here goes our register query. If there is a result, and again if MySQL affected row is greater than 0, that means if the database row is affected, then the message should appear registration successful. Otherwise message should appear error in registration. There goes cat exception. Get message. Now save it and then execute in your browser. successfully in connection. Our PHP code is connected with our database. Now enter the name, middle name, last name, address, whatever you want, and select the gender and enter the phone number and enter the email address and type the username and type the password. Now click sign up. There you go. Messages appear, registration successful. Now check whether our information is stored in the database or not. Go back to your database and click on browse. There you can see our information is stored in the database. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to share with your friends and stay connected with our channel. In order to stay connected in our channel, you have to subscribe our channel. So please subscribe for more tech in programming video. And thank you once again for watching this tutorial. Bye bye.